welcome to school too.
Why they come and help her now?
You get what you never hear. You get what I want to introduce to you.
You want to yeah, me want to introduce me put I don't see my money.
Who they talk about MMM? This one not be MMM. You never hear what they invoke now. You get one thing what you people just do now, they call sex door.
Door baby.
Door baby. What you fit do girlfriend? All these guys where you they see, nobody get girlfriend again, no.
Sex door.
Door baby. What you people do? What you fit carry proof for us? You go be like your girlfriend. You know they ask you money for recharge card. You know they ask you money for Brazilian hair. She not even get birthday. Nothing like a day period. I know they in the mood. Nothing. Anytime what you want to do, you do. If you do finish, you come out. If you want to again, you still do.
Wait. Door baby, be like a girlfriend do girlfriend.
Hey, you go and do girlfriend. Anytime when you come back, you do. I got time now. Say I introduce to you as my good friend where you be. And 800,000 they sell her. I even say my balance take buy her. Just.
I get one land for you, but I need to find buyer quick. Because my girlfriend they give me problem.
It is another your girlfriend will be say every day I know they in the mood, but if not to spend money, I dey in the mood. Once you don't do them, send me the money. If you send me the money, I'll buy and come give you tomorrow.
You sabi me?
You, I dey tell you say make you dey try dey dey, you know dey dey. Over to my guy.
NinjaFlavor.com.
The baby I am is enough. See, this relationship, I don't want again.
Why?
Can you remember how many times you are not in the mood in this week?
Hey, baby, I was not in the mood. That was why. I was saying.
And I finally made up my mind not to be in the mood at all again. I do this. You know how much I spent for this hair when you carry? Just 30,000. And you still need another one for Valentine. Yet you are not in the mood.
I need to look fresh.
I'm not there again.
Baby.
I'm not there again. All the money when I spend for you, if I spend it for all this sex store or sex store, you know how many for not buy now?
Okay, I'm from the courier service and I have a delivery for you here.
Oh, all the way from South Korea?
Yes. So, this is your parcel and I will need you to sign the document for me so that
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. I'm going to do many.
easy. Take it easy, please.
When you stand them under you. Oh, na.
What do you mean by hoe? Yes, there is a hole here.
Sorry, madam. Sorry.
And this is another hole here. So what hole are you talking about?
This one is to settle, now. 800,000.
This is sex door. Sex door.
No.
Oh my God. What?
Where is the hole? No hole. No. The phone switch off. Where is Abari? Abari, the man that said he should come and deliver this thing. Where is him?
Oh, you mean Abari?
Yes.
He just traveled out of the country last night. I have to go.
You are not leaving this thing. You are
What?
No. You are not leaving this. You know how much I pay 800,000.
What do you mean? How can you hold me? I'm just a courier serviceman. How can you hold me?
You will take it back. 800,000.
Take it back to where?
I don't cancel my relationship. Scatter everything. 800.
School too.
My name is Jennifer Princess J in the building.
My name is Chidera Girl.
My name is Peace Pretty P. Thanks for watching School 2 Comedy. 10,000 subscribers.
Wow.
We love we started like play like free. Thanks mommy and daddy. Thanks auntie, sisters, brothers. We love you all. Keep subscribing to our YouTube channel and don't forget to tell a friend.
To tell another friend.